Now let's talk about email marketing and list building for your niche website. So let's say that you have already built a niche website with good content and you've already started getting some search engine traffic as well as traffic from other sources like Facebook, Pinterest, etc. Getting all that traffic is of course a great thing, but you have to remember that everyone who visits your site from Google, from Facebook, they are all one-time visitors. So they visit your site, find the information that they want, and then they just simply leave or close the browser window. Some of them will come back, but the majority of visitors, and from my experience and from the statistics of my websites, I would say that about 80 to 90% of your one-time visitors never return to your site. So that's a huge opportunity lost where you can actually make money from those who visited your site but never returned. One way to solve that is to start collecting names and email addresses of people who visit your site so that you can contact them via email at any time in the future. There are some free WordPress plugins that you can use to build a newsletter or an opt-in form on your WordPress blog, and that works okay. However, for more serious marketing, you will need a professional software. The software that I use for email marketing and list building is Aweber, and you can get that at aweber.com. However, I will also show you two other alternatives, which is MailChimp. MailChimp is also very popular, and you can actually get a free account that allows you to have 2,000 subscribers and send up to 12,000 emails per month absolutely free. However, they do advertise MailChimp at the bottom of every email that you send out. A third option is GetResponse. GetResponse has also been around for a very long time, and it's a great alternative if you do not want to try Aweber or MailChimp. So let me get back to Aweber here, and this is a software that I have been using for years, and it is the software that I have the most experience with. So with Aweber, you get what you would expect from an email marketing software. You can build a list of subscribers, you can view the details of each subscriber, you can send them a broadcast email anytime you want. You can also create autoresponder emails that are sent out automatically based on the date and time a subscriber has joined your email list, and much more. Now, let's take a look at the pricing for Aweber. So it starts at $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers, and you can send unlimited emails to the 500 subscribers. However, you can get started for just $1. Now with the $1 trial, you get all the features that Aweber has, and you can choose to upgrade or keep your Aweber account if you like what you see. However, I would recommend that you only sign up for your $1 trial once you have built your website and once your content is in place and you're ready to start collecting subscribers' names and email addresses. So let me sign into my Aweber account and show you how it looks like. In my Aweber dashboard, I can see the total amount of subscribers that I have received today. And these are new subscribers yesterday, and also the amount of people who unsubscribed today. And next to that is my total number of subscribers that I have. So this is why building a list and email marketing is so important. Over the years, I have accumulated more than 50,000 subscribers. Now, these subscribers have chosen to opt in to my site, and they can unsubscribe anytime they want. So this is not spamming. Now, with 50,000 subscribers, whenever I create a new course, for example on Udemy, and also if I have a new product or a new promotion or coupon for my products, I can easily reach those subscribers by sending them an email. Imagine if I never collected the 50,000 subscribers. For every new product that I launch, I would probably need to set up a Google AdWords campaign or Facebook ads campaign and pay per click. Now with 50,000 subscribers, I can easily get up to 1,000 clicks per email that I send out, and those 1,000 clicks are completely free. So right below that you can see the broadcast that I have recently sent out, and also some of the lists that I have, as well as the subscribers for each of those lists. So for each product or each website that I have, I can create a separate list, and that will make it easier for me to manage subscribers who have only opted into that list. So with an email marketing software like Aweber, I can set up a follow-up series or autoresponder messages to automatically follow up with my subscribers, and I will explain more about that in the following videos. I can also send out a broadcast. So a broadcast is basically a one-time email that you send out to all your subscribers at the same time. A follow-up series is sent sequentially based on the individual subscribers' details, for example, the time and date that they have signed up on your website. I can also create a blog broadcast. This is another interesting feature that will automatically email my subscribers based on the content from my WordPress website or my WordPress blog. I can also manage my email templates over here, and I can manage my subscribers or manually add a subscriber, and I can create sign-up forms as well as view reports on my email marketing activities. So no matter which option that you want to choose, Aweber or MailChimp or GetResponse or any of the other available free or paid email marketing platforms or software out there, remember that what really matters in email marketing is the deliverability rate of your emails. Simply put, if you send 1,000 emails to your subscribers, how many of them actually receive your email in their inbox, and how many of those emails actually goes to spam? So with good software like GetResponse, MailChimp or Aweber, they have a very high deliverability rate. So most of the emails sent out from platforms like this will end up in the email inbox of your subscribers. When you use a free WordPress plugin or other free autoresponders or free email marketing software out there, the deliverability rate tends to be very low. So although it's free, but you tend to be wasting your time because none of the emails that you send out actually reach anybody or is actually seen by anyone.